It certainly looks intimidating when you first glance at this problem, but if you keep to my principle of getting rid of negative exponents as soon as you can, it shouldn't be too bad. Like here, this is a negative exponent thing. Let's drop that downstairs. Let's make that n to the 1/4. Okay, and there's a little bit of simplification we can do down bottom here too, because we have this 1/2 power. Let's use a different color. Got that 1/2 power. Let's apply that to both numbers on the inside. That will multiply to both of these. That's a little 1 up there. So down bottom we're going to have m 1/2 times 2 gives us 1, and n has a power of 1 on top of it. So 1 times 1/2 gives us an n to the 1/2. And then this is all over m to the third. M to the 3/4, because we kicked that guy downstairs. So maybe you don't think that's any prettier, but I do. M to the 3/4 over, and right now I'm just simplifying what's going on down here. Those are the same bases, and since they're being multiplied, everything's being multiplied together here. It doesn't matter the order. 2 times 3 times 4 is the same thing as 2 times 4 times 3. So we could put these n's right next to each other if we wanted. N to the 1/4 times n to the 1/2. Those have the same base. Their powers can add up if we just have common denominators. So that's going to be n to the 3/4. And then we had m to the first down there. So if you got into this part of your class, surely you've seen m to the 3/4 over m to the first. Those have the same base. It's the same principle as up here. If these are being multiplied together, their powers will add. If these are being divided together, opposite of adding is subtracting. So 3/4 minus 1 gives you m to the negative 1/4. Or you could think of it like this. Gotta have a placeholder. Kick that m to the 3/4 downstairs and make it a negative, and then you can just do adding. You don't have to worry about doing the subtraction stuff. You'll get the same thing. Okay. Kick that m to the 3/4 downstairs. That way we just have to worry about adding. Negative 3/4 plus 1 makes 1/4. No, I don't even know how to just do that. And the 3/4. Okay, so, this is close to being done. Usually we don't like fractions for our powers, or it might even specifically say in your instructions, don't, or it might say, write it in radical notation. This obviously isn't radical notation. Well, anything to the 1/4 power, that's the 4th root. So let's do that first. I'm in a different color here. That's going to be m to the 4th root. And n to the 3/4, if you want to think of that, you could think of that as n to the 1/4 to the 3rd power. That way you can say it's, again, the 4th root of n of m. I got my letters all mixed up. That's an n. And that's being raised to the 3rd power on the outside. But, if you got to this successfully, I don't think your instructor is going to be too mad at you.